Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've set us a pretty pink Christmas tablescape. I'm using vintage china, lots of pink Christmas fare, and a color scheme of pink and gold. So let's look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a solid pink tablecloth that I picked up on eBay. You can find pretty much any color you want. This is probably for an event or weddings tablecloth. I'm going to be using my gold chargers today to go with my pink and gold theme. I got these at Amazon not too long ago. They have an ornate border going around. I'm going to use this beautiful vintage china. It's made in Limoges, France by Haviland, and the pattern is Sylvia. It has a pretty gold band around the edges and pink roses. I don't have any pink Christmas china, so I thought this would blend pretty with what I'm doing today. I also have the salad plates. And I'm not following the rules today. I'm just going to keep on stacking the bread and butter plate. It goes over here, but I've got so much Christmas on the table, I'm going to do it this way for today. I'm also going to use the cup and saucers that go with the set. They too go over here, but I have too much on the table. So the decorations on the center of the table take precedent for me today. I'm going to be using my crystal knife rest today, along with my gold flatware. I'm going to be using these pink glasses. They're made by Pioneer Woman. I got these a few years back at Walmart. They remind me of sandwich glass or pink depression glass, even though they're not old. And then I'm also going to be pairing with those these pretty snowflake glasses. They have an etched snowflake. Mother found me these at a thrift store a while back. And I have my pink cupcake stands. These were a Hobby Lobby find a few years ago. And for the dinner napkins, I have solid pink with these beautiful little snowflake napkin rings. They have a snowflake with pearls in the center. I picked those up on eBay. I've just recently got those in the mail for this tablescape. Here in the center of the table, I've used these fabulous pink velvet deer. I've made sort of a pink winter forest. These deer, this is the standing deer. It has little glitter and sequins and pearls along with gold antlers. And then here's its mate. The resting deer is lying down, and it too has the gold and little pearls and gold hoofs, if I can get a picture of them somewhere. There they are. I picked these up a couple of years ago at Hobby Lobby. I thought they were really unique, and you guys know I have a pink tree. I'll put the link for the tree at the end of this video if you want to see it. But around the treescape is where I keep these items. So I've borrowed from my pink tree today. But I've got the deer in the center. And then I'm also using these lovely candelabras. They're so pretty. And I've put gold candles in them today to add to my pink and gold theme. I've told you guys about these candelabras before. They came from a thrift store. Mother found them for about $20, and I just absolutely love them. I've got lots of candelabras, but these were the best deal. But I've got those on the table today, and then along with them I've put all these pink glittered and sequin cone Christmas trees. These two came from Hobby Lobby, and I've got various sizes that I've put around the table. And then I've also mixed in these more old-fashioned, what I call pipe cleaner trees, and they've got some little pink ornaments made in, and they're frosted. And I've just used those and intermingled them around the table. Now, you could go further. I thought about you could add in some snow, some of the little sprinkle snow, and even more ornaments, but I didn't want to get into cleaning up the mess. So I thought I would stop here. At this end, I've got a pink depression little tray. I believe this is actually a reproduction, and I've set this little bonbon dish on it. It's got roses, and I think that's pretty. I believe that was a thrift store find. I thought that went pretty with what we're using today. And then here's my little sugar cellar. It's lined in gold, and it has a little scoop here hanging on the back. I found that years ago at Goodwill. I think that's so pretty. And I thought too I would add, kind of with my snowflake theme, Mother's brooch. This is one of her vintage brooches. I thought it looked like a snowflake, and I laid it on the table, even though it really doesn't have anything to do with Tablescape. And then I also have my gold salt and pepper shakers. These are Charter Club, but I found them on eBay. I love this set of dishes. There's quite a story behind them. Not really a Christmas story, but I got them from what I would call a friend of me years ago. This lady's son was an antique dealer, and he called me one day and had a moose head. And I have a chalet, and I wanted the moose head, and he wanted me to go ahead and pay him. And I did, and needless to say, the moose head never materialized. And one day she came offering this china in lieu of the debt, and I think they probably got the better end of the deal. Moose heads are not cheap, but I wound up with this Limoges china, which is not what I was banking on, but I'm glad I have it now. It's really pretty. Kind of a strange story. You never know how you're going to wind up with things. Here at this end of the table, I've got the teapot. It goes with the set. And I've also placed a little dinner bell. Here I've got a gold sled, and I've just put some vintage pink ornaments in it. I found that little sleigh at Hobby Lobby. It's been several years ago, and I have used it as a centerpiece on a table before as well. Here I've got another little bonbon stand. I think it's so pretty with the pink roses and the little scalloped edge. You guys know I like my silent butlers. My little crumb saver. This one's got pink roses. I have a collection of these, and they're basically for brushing your crumbs in off the table. I've got the sugar and creamer The lid was missing to the sugar bowl. I've got to find me a lid on replacements or eBay or somewhere one of these days. I just haven't gotten around to it. And here at this end of the table, I'm using one of my pink Mosier cake stands, and I've set my pink pub jar. It's pink and gold, and I thought the colors were perfect to go with this tablescape. I have a pair of these pub jars. This one says lemonade. I have another one I think that says iced tea that's green. I got these years ago at Market, but they're reproductions of pub jars. I think they're pretty. I've always loved pink for Christmas. I've had my pink Christmas tree for probably 30 years now. But with the Barbie movie a couple of years ago, pink has really came back into fashion for Christmas. Of course, it was huge back in the 50s, but I've always loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye now.